Hi guys, so here is how we are going to take your finished 3D ornament and save it as an STL file, which is what we need in order to print. And then you're going to send that STL file to me so that I can print it on your behalf. So this is Tyler's ornament. Looks great. It's completed. When he's looking at it in this view, and he's got the parts tab down below opened up, you're going to go under this list of all the different things that you've done to create it down to the bottom part, and here's where it says parts. If you right click, whoops, maybe it's on the one right below. If you right click on the part, your part is your ornament, it should open up this box. If you can't do that from your Chromebook, you might need to borrow somebody's mouse so that you can right click properly, and then you're going to press export, and it's going to give you some options to export. So you get this dialog box. You're going to first name it something that makes sense. Since this is Tyler's ornament, Tyler ornament would make sense. Don't name it something goofy. We want to be able to recognize what it is without actually having to open up the file. The format might be defaulted to something else, any of these other ones. We want to make sure it's on STL. Binary is good. You could change this. I don't think this matters a whole lot. We could change that to millimeters, but I think you probably want inches. Resolution is probably set to medium. Let's change that to fine. That means it's going to be a little bit more precise that way. And options should be download. Okay. When you click OK, now I'm not working on a Chromebook, so I see mine pop up right down here, and I can take a look at where it's at in my folder. I'm going to move